Hey guys, it's MC Fixit here. We have the Gyropolooza 2025. We have the Brick and Mortar and the original. I'm going to be opening both of them. Today is the day that it dropped, and so I want to show you what these things look like. This does have more disc, but the price is a little higher too. I got these at Disc Golf Mart, and really excited to be able to open these up for you and show you what's inside. So, which one should I open first? Let's do the Brick and Mortar one first. So the first disc in the Brick and Mortar, it is a distance driver. It is an Orbital. Looks really nice there. It's one of the L2 discs. Here's another one. Ooh, that's got some cool looking green in it. And that is an Aspect. That's sweet. Here's the next one. Please say it's a Nope, it's a Rhythm. I thought it was one of the Bohemes. Here is the next one. You got a Crave. A Proton Deflector. Has some speckles in it. With Axiom, we got a Hex. So a full Eclipse Hex there. The next one is a Tempo. And it's kind of opaque and see-through. That's kind of cool looking. We have a Time Lapse at 175. I can't tell right off the bat if that's the version 2, but my guess is that that's probably what that is. Ooh, a clear. Is this a Pixel? Axiom, Simon line. Where is it? Got a clear Pixel. That's cool. And it's lightweight, 159 gram clear Pixel. The next one is a Trail. Ooh, I like that. Nice white Trail. Got an R2 Servo, 171 gram. Got an R2 Tempo with a really cool looking rim. This is the Axiom Pyro. That's cool too. It's one of the ones everybody will get. I believe that's a particle glow. Here is the Boost, a nice pink Boost. The next one is that Echo, that Plasma Echo. I love the color on that. Pink and blue and green and silver. Got two left. This is the 10-year wave. Got a cool little blue pattern on the inside. And last but certainly not least, we have the particle. That's the one that they brought back out for this in particle glow. So it looks really cool. Let me just go back through these really quick, show you all of them. Really pumped about this clear one. That's really cool. Good time lapse and tempo through all those. If you can't tell, it's very windy today. That was a good pool. So far, no golden ticket. So now to the regular Gyropolooza box. I'm going to move these over so I have a little easier access to it. The first one I'm pulling out is that 10-year wave. 175. Feels really good in the hand. And we have the Pyro. That's a cool red and yellow disc. Ooh, that's a pretty pink. That's that Echo. Little pop top almost to it. Particle glow particle. We got an R2 Virus with a really cool purple and blue rim. We got a Photon R2, 170 gram. Ooh, that right there is a pixel. I'm almost certain. Yep. And that's pretty cool. I was not expecting to see one of those in the box. Ooh, I like it already. Please say it's a time lapse. It is. We've got an inverted watermelon seedless. That's pretty cool. I like the coloration on that. And here is, it's a lightweight Hex 157. That's kind of cool. I don't know if I've ever thrown a lightweight one. And we have 160 gram Volt. I don't know if I've ever thrown. It doesn't even look like it's fission, but I'm guessing it has to be if it's 160. That's pretty neat. And last but certainly not least, we got a Vanish with a really cool rim on that thing. So overall, two great sets of discs. If you're interested, I know they had quite a few when I was there of the Brick and Mortar and a lot of the regular boxes. If you're in the Columbus area, go ahead and check out the Disc Golf Mart. Overall, two really great boxes. Super excited to be throwing these. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. Hope you have a great rest of your day.